Today I'm going to show you how to install this Aeroskin 2 bug deflector on the 2021 Ford Bronco Sport. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. We got a lot of great videos coming up ahead. Alright, so let's get started. So in the package you're going to get some instructions along with some prep material for the paint. In here there will be some alcohol prep pads as well as another prep pad to really enhance adhesion. So anyways, what you're going to want to do first is just to clean the hood. I'm just using a little bit of soapy water in a spray bottle. Sprayed off the hood with the hose, and now I'm just drying everything off, making sure that the surface is super clean that I'm about to attach this hood deflector onto. So now we're just going to take the alcohol prep pad and we're just going to do the leading edge of the hood wherever the hood deflector will adhere to. So it's only a little baby prep pad, and honestly I don't think it's enough, so if you have any extra just to clean off the hood, I'd use it. Now here is the secondary prep pad that's used to promote adhesion, and this kind of screws up with the paint a little bit, as so it seemed, but it's really just a thin coating layer. I think it just takes off the wax and anything that's on the leading edge of the hood. And if you get any outside the area where the hood deflector is, you can just use a solvent such as WD-40 and it will come and wipe right off. So now that we got this hood deflector, we need to get it ready to place on. So you're just going to take the leading edge of these little red little tape covers on. You're going to take those off. Just take the leading edge off, maybe about an inch or two of each one, just so you're able to pull it off once it is positioned correctly on the hood. Now this takes a few seconds, but it is very important in order to get this done correctly. Anyways, I just wanted to let you guys know that anything that I used in this video will be in the description, and I will also link the part number and everything in the description in case you want to try grabbing this up for yourself. And please give a thumbs up if you enjoyed it so far. Anyways, once you get all those little tabs off, you're going to make sure they're bent out and you're able to access them once the hood deflector is placed onto the hood. Now, the best way I found to get this thing centered is to use a tape measure and find a reference point on both sides. Make sure the measurements are even. If not, you just shift the hood deflector a little bit to the left and right or up and down. But once it's done, you're going to just go ahead and pull off the tape from underneath, and you're going to make sure you just press down on the adhesive, make sure it gets a nice, good, even pressure so it adheres well. And as you can see, when you take off this tape, you want to be very, very careful not to end up with snapping the tape off inside, so you can make sure you get all the tape off and get a good adhesion. Now you can see right here I kind of broke it midway and I had to pick it out, and that's something you want to try to avoid at all costs. But it is something that you can do if necessary. So here we are, that's the last piece of tape. Now the entire hood deflector is adhered onto the front edge of the hood. And here it is during the daylight, and you can see how well it fits, how well it looks with the car. And after about a month of using it, I could truly say that it does help to reduce the amount of bugs on the windshield, and it also obviously helps to prevent rock chips on the leading edge of your hood. Now, I would like to just ask you guys to please give a thumbs up if this helped you. Please leave a comment if you have any suggestions for future videos or any suggestions on this video itself. And please subscribe if you want to see any more content like this in the future. It really helps my channel, and you'll be updated with all the interesting things I may do in the future. Thank you.